Hello everyone! Thank you for visiting our channel. Today we wanted to share with you the recipe for delicious and beautiful carrot crepes. For the batter you will need carrots, buttermilk, eggs, salt, sugar, baking soda, vegetable oil, orange zest, all-purpose flour, cornstarch and water. All the ingredients need to be room temperature.
Using a food processor or a small grater, shred a carrot that is about 150 grams in weight. Then add a little bit of buttermilk. Into the remaining buttermilk, which we only need a total of 1 cup, we need to add half a teaspoon of baking soda, mix and set aside. Into a mixing bowl, place 3 medium-sized chicken eggs, 3 tablespoons of sugar, and half a teaspoon of salt. Beat it a little bit with either a whisk or a fork. Pour the buttermilk and baking soda into the mixing bowl. In the video, you can see how well the buttermilk extinguished the baking soda. Add 4 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Put in the zest of 1 orange, but only the orange part and not the white, because the white part will make it bitter. If you don't have an orange, you can replace it with a lemon or vanilla extract. Now put in the shredded carrot and buttermilk into the bowl and mix well so all the ingredients combine. Into the pre-sifted flour, add in the cornstarch. You need 1½ cups of flour and half a cup of cornstarch. Mix the mass well. Now combine the wet and the dry ingredients. Mix the batter thoroughly. Currently, you will need to dilute the thick batter with warm water. We used about 1½ cups of it. Set the dough aside to rest for a minimum of 30 minutes. The dough will become thicker, so check the batter to see if you need to add more water, so the consistency of the batter will be comfortable to work with. Cook the crepes on both sides at medium heat and on a preheated skillet. You only need to grease the pan once with vegetable oil, but if you need to, you can grease it before each crepe. With this amount of batter, we made 18 crepes with a diameter of 15 centimeters.
Look at how beautiful, soft and tender these crepes turned out. Cook with us and make your friends and family happy. Thank you for watching.
And see you next time. Bye bye.
Bye bye.